What's up, guys? This is part 2 of my Affilojetpack case study. Enjoy. So you can see right off the bat that my squeeze pages are really nice and polished. Not only that, all of my copy is focused on a pain point. Okay, why are you single, or why are you alone? Okay, so these different squeeze pages are not only good looking and polished, but the copy is all about the person's pain point. This is more motivation for my niche traffic to opt in. This is the old opt-in page. As you can see, it's a big improvement from this to this. So on the whole, each squeeze page got an opt-in. My third squeeze page number 3 and squeeze page number 6 are the winners because they got 0.8%. I still haven't broken through the 1% barrier. I want to get at least 10% on opt-in for my CTR. I got on total for this test, I got 1,449 impressions, 7 opt-ins, 0.5% click-through rate. So usually I like to pinpoint the big traffic bringers, maybe 2 or 3 domains or keywords that I could customize the squeeze page or the lander for that specific keyword or domain. Unfortunately, in this test run, I got opt-ins here and there. I couldn't pinpoint any big traffic bringers. So yeah, I don't know. This was kind of expensive, only $1,400, and I paid $28, almost $29 here. So I want to make this cheaper, of course, and I want to increase my CTR. So yeah, if you have any tips or ideas, put them below, and I'd like to hear from you. Thank you very much.